We don't want to mess with nature, and nature don't want to mess with us. I feel like this is something that's probably built in somewhere here, or should be built in somewhere here on these vehicles. And we don't want to hit any animals in this, because who wants to hit, nobody wants to hit animals in anything. So this thing being quiet, I do not like that. It's a big fear of mine, especially living where we live. We live kind of off the beaten path in a place called New Brunswick in Canada. Lots of wildlife here, lots of deer, there's moose, there's bears, lions, tigers. Those are at the zoo, but on the road, the other ones are definitely out and about. The other ones are definitely out and about on the road. So as you can see, it whistles. I'm gonna stick these on the front of my truck. Now you're probably thinking, why do you wanna stick this on the front of your truck? Because I don't wanna stick a deer to the front of my truck. I'd rather stick a deer whistle. And this thing used to be like, now it's gonna be like, oh yeah. They call them deer whistles. It probably warns other things other than deer, unless these are only speaking deer. Now it says you can't mount them upside down. Don't know why that would be. I honestly have no idea how that would make any difference, but they say it does. So I'm gonna mount them right side up. Well, where do we put the deer whistles? Let's take a look. Before we go too crazy with this, let's test them out. See, that is a sound that the deer don't like. So let's get to her. I already got one stuck there. I figured that was kind of a nice spot where nobody's really gonna notice other than that ugly white tape between the deer whistle and the thing. So I use this Mother's Revision glass and surface cleaner and microfiber cloth. I don't know how to say that. We're just gonna squirt the dang thing. Give her a wipins. You know what's funny? The other side, this thing fit. This side I actually have to pull it down a touch in order to get it to go on. Oh, I just broke it. Oh my goodness. Look at this, I just broke it. I think I gotta glue this. I better glue it. I'm gonna glue it. Okay, so these things just went from $1.25 to like $1.25 and $5 for glue. So I'm not kidding, guys. Get ready to spend the dough. So I really hope this doesn't affect the whistling capabilities of the deer whistlers. You gotta squeeze it together. Okay, that's Gorilla Glue. So between the Gorilla Glue and the deer whistle, we should be getting rid of all kinds of nature activity. Okay, here we go again. I'm just gonna line them up with like the middle of the tow hook, pull this guy down a little bit, and now we're whistling, baby. Put the whistles on, guys. Put the whistles on, because better to stick a whistle than to stick a deer. I almost smoked my head off this right now. Anyways, I'm gonna glue the other one now because I'm scared it's gonna fall apart when I wash the truck. I'm not even joking you right now. I looked at it and I was like, and it just fell off. Just like that. So, you know what they say, right? You guys know what they say. You know how the saying goes. If you're not familiar with the saying, it's little dab will do you. Squeeze it on. I'll give it a drive and see if they fly off.